Some people feel financially stressed at 30 lakhs of income. Others feel stressed even at 3 crores. And this is because financial stress is not always about lack of money. Sometimes it's about lifestyle success creates. And honestly, I think this is one of the biggest realities of modern day wealth creation. Most people believe higher income means more freedom. But in reality, most of us feel more financially pressured as income increases. Why? Because as income grows, our lifestyles also expand alongside. And slowly, what was once luxurious starts feeling normal. Think about the urban India today. A founder or a senior professional earning 25 to 30 lakh rupees annually lives very different from someone who earns 2 to 3 crores annually. But interestingly, दोनों ही फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर में जीते हैं. Why? Because expense इनकम के हिसाब से नहीं बढ़ता. It grows psychologically. At higher income, आपको चाहिए बड़ा घर, luxury car, premium schooling for your kids, lifestyle consumption, and social obligation. All this becomes part of your baseline. What was once a lifestyle becomes part of your identity. And उसको कम करना emotionally बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I recently met a business owner who has been growing exponentially over the last few years. इनकम भी बढ़ रही है, नेटवर्थ बढ़ रहा है और लाइफस्टाइल भी ऑटोमेटिकली अपग्रेड हो रहा है. From the outside, everything looked aspirational. But during our conversation, he admitted something very interesting. He said, I'm earning more than ever before, but I'm under more pressure than I was 5 years ago. And honestly, मुझे ऐसा लगता है सारे ambitious लोग कहीं ना कहीं इससे रिलेट करते हैं. Because success changes psychological baseline. जो कार कभी एस्पिरेशनल लगती थी, आज स्टैंडर्ड लगती है. बिजनेस क्लास का ट्रैवल जो कभी लग्जरी लगता था, आज नॉर्मल लगता है. बड़ा घर जो कभी आपके सक्सेस की निशानी थी, आज एक्सपेक्टेशन में बदल गया है. That is where modern wealth becomes dangerous. Because satisfaction adapts much quicker than your income. And social media has amplified this massively. Because you are constantly exposed to bigger houses, luxury cars, foreign travel, visible success. And slowly, comparison starts redefining what is normal. 5 करोड़ का घर भी एवरेज लगता है. A luxury car feels standard. And the problem is, comparison की कोई finish line नहीं होती. This creates something very dangerous psychologically. People no longer take lifestyle decision based on personal freedom. They take it based on visibility, identity, and social status. Which means people are no longer upgrading their lifestyle. They are increasing their maintenance. And maintenance is expensive. Take Gurgaon for example. Over the last few years, a luxury house which was in the range of 3 to 4 crores आज 8 से 12 करोड़ का हो गया. And naturally, lifestyle expectation increases alongside. Bigger house, premium interiors, expensive memberships, and social positioning. Higher the lifestyle, the more difficult it becomes to reduce psychologically. And that is why जैसे जैसे इनकम बढ़ रही है फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर भी बढ़ते जा रहा है. Not because income is insufficient, but because the emotional cost of maintenance keeps increasing. And that is where many people start to confuse visible success with actual freedom. Sophisticated wealth creation is not about earning more. It's about peace, flexibility, time, emotional freedom, and independent decision making. Because if success only increases comparison, pressure, commitments, and emotional dependence, income तो बढ़ रही है, but it's not giving you freedom. So sometimes it's important to ask, am I building wealth or just maintaining my image? Is my success increasing my freedom or just increasing pressure? If my income slows down temporarily, क्या मैं अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को मेंटेन कर पाऊंगा? And am I taking this decision independently or simply reacting to social pressure? These questions reveal a lot about financial maturity. Because real wealth is not about looking successful. It's about living well without having any pressure of maintaining an image. And honestly, many people are earning more but enjoying life less. More income, more pressure. More visibility, less peace. And I don't think this is real wealth. If you enjoy deeper conversation around wealth creation, capital allocation, investor thinking, and strategic real estate investment, subscribe to Real Estate with Siddharth.